Hello guys, it's been a while. Well, today I'm back for a very short review of a nifty little drill that I bought on Amazon for something like 20 euros or 19 euros. This is the HI-SPEC. It is made in China, and today I will unbox this little drill and show you if it is worth it or not. So without further ado, we should open the box and take a look at it. So for 19 euros, what do we get from Amazon? Let's see. I'm using one hand just to keep things easy. We got some bubbles. Here we go. This is the little drill that you can get for this price of 19 euros or 20 euros. It is, how do we say, very hard plastic. It almost hurts the hands, but it's because I've got big hands. It's a button that you can press two sides, unscrew or screw. It's quite loud. What more do we get in the box? Bits. What's that? The owner's manual. 3-year warranty. Well, I'm not sure if I will ever need it for the price that I paid, and a USB Type-C cable to charge the device, which has a port underneath of it. I hope it's powerful enough, so we're gonna try this on something here around. Okay, I found something to unscrew after searching into my bureau for something. We've got the chair. I'm about to unscrew this handlebar. Let's see if it's powerful enough to do that. Wait, one moment, I'm trying with one hand. Okay, let's see. Okay. Quite powerful, to be honest. Let's try the other side. Oh, okay. Oh shit, I fucked it up. One moment, please. Okay, I had a little issue while working with one hand. Let's see. Seems good. A little bit underpowered, but it's still good. For the only reason I bought this drill to mount my 3D prints together with screws, because the electrical screwdriver that I bought was a little bit too light for the job, and this one is quite powerful enough. Of course, it's unscrewed a chair that has been screwed for more than 15 or 20 years, and to be absolutely honest, it did the job. I'm not sure about the battery power and how long that it would hold the capacity for the work that we are doing, but to be honest, for small jobs like 3D printing, mounting little screws and stuff like this, this will do the job perfectly. So I truly recommend this little drill for 19 euros that I bought on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and we see you guys on the next review.